Welcome back to another episode of Makwala Agri, guys. So in today's video, we are cleaning our chicken house and we're going to be preparing it for the festive season. So we are preparing this house. We're going to clean it. Firstly, we're going to remove the chicken waste, which we have here. It's chicken manure. You can use it on your crops. You can feed to the livestock. So this is going to be one of the interesting videos. I'm starting with a series starting from today until 1st of December. We're going to be actually preparing this chicken house. So let's now clean this chicken house as we're going to be preparing our cycle for festive season. this comes the end of today's video. All we did was remove the chicken waste, which is now going to use for two purposes: feed for livestock, or you can use it as your manure for your crops. So yeah, we are done now. See you in the next one.